can use Microsoft Word to create a simple document. So let's start with a new blank document. Microsoft Word is a what you see is what you get editor software. That means after you edit the document, you will directly see how the document is going to look like under the editor. Okay, now let's try to gather a longer piece of text such that we can try out different functions under Microsoft Word. Let's try to copy something from our department website and then put it in my document. So the first thing I want to do is to change the document size and also the margins for my document. I can change them by just going to the page layout tab, and then let's say I want the document size to be A4 and the margins to be narrow. Then I can simply apply the corresponding settings under page layout. So after you copy some text into Microsoft Word, you will keep the formats from the original source, which can be quite messy. To work with plain text, you can try to select the text and then go to the Home tab and choose Clear Formatting. Then you will get some plain text. You can also change the format of a paragraph by choosing this small expand arrow under paragraph. So now let's say I want the alignment to be justified for more professional look, and also I want some indentation before the paragraph to promote readability, and also some space before the paragraph. Then once I choose OK, the format of the paragraph will be changed accordingly. The next thing that I want to do is to manipulate the style for my titles. I can do it by simply applying the heading style to the titles. And if you go to the View tab under Navigation pane, you can easily access all the headings within your document. Okay, now let's say if I want to change the style for a few words, I can simply highlight them, go to the Home tab, change the font size, and make them bold, italic, or underline using these settings under font. And then let's say if I want to insert a table into my document, I can simply go to the Insert tab and then choose to insert, let's say, a 2x2 table. And I'm going to type in something for my table. Let's say item 1, item 2, item 3, and item 4. I can change the look of the table by using the Design tab, and I can add rows or columns using the Layout tab. In a document, footnotes can be used to explain or give extra information about a certain keyword or a key concept. And you can insert a footnote by simply going to the Insert tab and then choose to insert a footnote. And you can check out your footnotes under the View tab. And finally, you can save your document as a Microsoft Word file or as a PDF file. And this is how the final document is going to look like.